Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store not opening issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to open up your Google Play Store app, or even if it opens, it crashes a lot after it does, then here are some troubleshooting steps you could follow. The first thing to do is to check if you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data. After you check your internet connection, try your download again from Google Play Store. The next step you could follow is to check your storage space. If your device is running low on spaces, it can stop apps from downloading and installing. So go ahead and delete any application you no longer use. Press hold to a app and tap on uninstall from your app drawer. Repeat the process for any other app you no longer use. If you have a backup with Google Photos, you can also delete the copies of your phone, remove any other downloaded movies, music or other media, and once you clear out your storage space, go back to your Play Store and try downloading an app and see if that fixes the issue. Another thing to do is to check for your Android system updates. Go and tap open settings from your app drawer and from the settings menu, scroll down until you find software update and tap it on. Tap on download and install button at the very top and check for available updates for your Android device. Once you update your software, you might be able to fix the issue. If none of the steps works, then you can simply restart your Android device. Press the power button and tap on restart or power off and reboot your system again. Once you restart your system, go back to your Play Store and see if that fixes the issue by downloading an application. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out whenever Google Play Store app is not opening or working properly on your Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.